Could you tell me about what does being Zen mean to you?
I think the definition of peace and Zen has moved from being just about being from being about stillness and calm and solitude to being centered and being aligned with your purpose. And I think having that clarity of thought. So I think that is what Zen means to me personally.
So I heard that your educational background has been from Singapore. You've studied in Singapore. How does your experience tie into Zen in general?
I think Singapore is such a buzzing hotspot of different cultures and different people. But I think what has always stood out to me and what it is known globally for is the innovation in architecture and the focus on sustainability you see over there. High standards that Singaporeans hold themselves to when it comes to architecture, when it comes to innovation, when it comes to sustainability, left a lasting impression on me. And I think once I came back, that's something I strive to incorporate here at Zen.
So tell me, how has your definition of peace changed growing up over the years?
I think as I've grown as a person and evolved over the years, I've realized it's not something external, it is within you. And I think it really means being satisfied, being content with where you are, being aligned, living with intention. And I think living in alignment with your inner calling and in a way like your life's purpose. And I truly believe as within, so without. And I think over the years, I have really seen how your internal mindset impacts your life outside.